Here you have some funny and shocking facts about first impression, online dating, superstitions, and famous Louis Vuitton. Let's talk about first impression. Did you know that it takes 1 hour for a woman to decide whether or not she wants to date a man again? A man, on the other hand, decides in 15 minutes. But during speed dating, most people make a decision without 3 seconds of a meeting. By the way, speed dating, invented by a rabbi from Los Angeles in 1999, is based on a Jewish tradition of chaperone gatherings of young Jewish singles. And what about online dating? On the net, women are afraid of meeting a serial killer. Men are afraid of meeting someone fat. Get the top 10 turn-offs for women. They include cystic acne, ragged nails, flatulence and bulging, missing teeth, body odor, bad breath, hair in nostrils, men boobs, goofy glasses, and hair mistakes. Now it's the time for some superstitions. Did you know that yawning is considered a bad omen in some cultures? How can you stop the evil consequences? Of course, by snapping your fingers. I bet you don't know there is an unlucky color for a car. It actually brings on accidents. What color is it? Green. If you catch this insect, you will marry within a year. Yeah, it's a dragonfly. Sneezing cat promises rain. However, if a cat sneezes 3 times, everyone in the family will get a cold. By the way, it's funny, but only domestic cats hold their tails straight up while walking. Wild cats hold their tails horizontally or tucked between their legs. What you probably don't know about Louis Vuitton is the fact that every single one of their bags is handmade. They also created a pen collection and a line of scrapbooks. It's shocking, but every year Louis Vuitton burn all their unsold bags in order to prevent putting a lower price on them. They also register the stripe pattern they use as a trademark. Would you like to learn more or some facts? Subscribe to our channel below or ask in comments.